Fight!
The Crown Signia is a new offering, and it fits into the Toyota lineup in a similar position as the Venza that it replaces. It's larger than the compact Rav4, but smaller than the three-row Highlander, and its starting price is more expensive than both. Army green, a paint color already seen on several of Toyota's bigger trucks and SUVs, makes its way to the Rav4 this year. The hue will be offered on the Adventure and TRD Off Road trims as a no-cost option. A two-tone color combo will also be available for these variants, paired with either a white or a black roof. All Crown Signia comes equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid that outputs 240 horsepower and 288 pound-feet of torque. Attached to an electronically controlled CVT, the car gets an MPG rating of 39 city and 37 highway as an all-wheel drive configuration. Now the XLE is going to start at $43,590, and the top limited is priced at $47,990. The Rav4 comes with a hybrid powertrain, but is standard at 2.5-liter four-cylinder powers it with 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, all controlled by an 8-speed auto transmission. The MPG rating is 27 city 35 highway for the front-wheel drive and 27 city 34 highway for all-wheel drive. Its MSRP starts at $28,675 for the LE to $40,030 for the Hybrid Limited. The Crown Signia comes standard with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and infotainment. As a matter of fact, it comes with more standard and premium features than the Rav4. This includes heated and ventilated front leather seats and heated leather seats. Unlike the Rav4, the Crown Signia gets great fuel efficiency, thanks to its hybrid-only powertrain that is also more powerful. The cabin room in the Crown Signia is not that different to the Rav4 despite being a larger SUV, but it is still smaller despite costing more than the Rav4. With the XLE and Limited trim being the only two trims available, the Crown Signia is not meant to please a wide range of consumers. The opposite can be said about the Rav4, as it is available in 14 different trims. With the Rav4 being a more rugged SUV, the TRD Off Road trim that comes with skid plates, off-road suspension and downhill assist control is something you can only get with the Rav. To top it off, the Rav also has a higher ground clearance of 8.4 inches compared to the 6.7 inches of the Crown Signia. However, despite being a more rugged version, the Rav4 doesn't have all-wheel drive as standard, unlike the Crown Signia. Since the Rav4 has a lower starting price, it is not surprising that cloth seats are standard and it overall is not as aesthetically premium as the Crown Signia. In summary, the Crown Signia is a brand new SUV that comes with many features as standard along with all-wheel drive, as well as a more powerful and fuel-efficient hybrid engine. It may only come in two trims, but this is perfect for those who want a premium SUV without having to pay a lot for one. The Rav4 is more rugged than the Crown Signia. With the right trim, the Rav4 could either be an off-road capable SUV or a more premium SUV. However, many premium features of the Crown Signia is unavailable for the Rav4, so it will never be as luxurious. Which one would you drive? I would pick the Rav4 as I have always wanted to modify and lift a Rav4 for some overlanding adventures. If I wanted a premium SUV, I would go for a better looking and more luxurious Lexus RX.